So today it's raining. This was definitely an impromptu video. This rain, it just came from out of anywhere. I don't know. I was not expecting this. Anyways, so I thought I would turn the camera on, hang out with you guys, get some stuff done around here. You know, this right here was a total disaster. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go. You got to let it go. Okay, even though I just vacuumed the floor, you can still see that it is still stuff here on the carpet. So I have to go back in and get in between the grooves because this is lifted. Like these little parts are lifted. So I have to do that. It is so annoying. This is a wool rug and it's with those type of designs and so difficult to keep it vacuum. I vacuum this carpet literally every single day. So what I use for my clock, the wood, I use Pledge. Go in and wipe it all down and get the dust and stuff off. And then I go in with this feed and wax, and it has beeswax and orange oil, and it gives, you can see the glow right here. The Pledge would not make the wood glow like that. So this is beautiful. I love it. So I just used a clean microfiber rag, pour some directly on the rag, kind of close it up, and then I'll go back in and wipe it down this way. I think I grabbed this out of Lowe's, and it lasts quite a while because you don't need a lot. So I put about that much on my rag and just squeeze it around, and then go in and just go ahead and wipe the wood down. I try to avoid the glass, of course, but yeah, that's what I do. Okay, so I cleared this section out. I moved the dog cages, and I'm just gonna play around with this little window. Okay, so this is how it's looking in front of the window. It looks really nice right here. So this is it. I thought it looked really well with the curtains and all that stuff. So this is my idea, but Darnell, he's not too crazy about the color. He feels everything in here should be gray. So I did find these little rugs. Okay, so this is what it looks like if I put like a little, you know, this little faux thing over it to make it gray or whatnot. Of course, I'll play around with it and all that stuff, but I'm thinking about putting my little table over here. Okay, so this is how it's styled with the table and all that. Let me move this down, tuck it down a little bit, and okay, so this is an idea, you know, how I would style this little section over here. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so this is how it looks with the little cover over it. And you guys, I found another another little ottoman thing. So now I have two. I'm so excited. I went to another Ross and I found it. So I'm loving it. So this is how they are now. But of course I can move this one over here and all that stuff. But I just have it sitting here for right now. All right, let me step back over here. Okay, so this is how everything is looking so far. I think it looks really, really nice in here. I have now extra seating because I'm still waiting to find the other part of the sectional. I just cannot locate it yet. So they haven't got it in, and that's why. So I'm just trying to create additional seating until then, if by chance I don't find, you know, the other part of the sectional. But yeah, I'm waiting. Because this was actually at the outlet and the regular store doesn't carry this color anymore. That's nor here nor there. This is how everything is looking. Let me remove this so you can get an idea without this cover. So yeah, I don't mind it with this cover either. But maybe, let's see what the shorter one looks like. And I also have this little darker colored one as well. That can go on here. So either way, it looks all cute. Here's the other little poof. Let me move it. Yeah, move this up a little bit. So that's so cute, so cute. And then we just still have this stuff over here. I still have this dining chair in here. I'm gonna put it back into the kitchen in a moment. But anyways, I just wanted to share my little new decor pickups. Another ottoman from Ross. I actually got this one like 10% off or 20% off or something like that, because it had a little cut on the inside. So the lady, look at that. This little cut right here, and she marked it down. I'm like, all right, I'll take it, thank you. But other than that, there's nothing else wrong with it. And again, remember, this has the gold base on here. And this, I wish I could figure out how to paint my grandfather clock like this gray color, but I've been working on it and I can't figure out what to use, paint or stain. The stain did not work. I already tried to stain the clock, so I'm still working on trying to turn it like gray or something like that. This is how the table turned out. Left it very plain and simple. This is just what was on my other coffee table that I end up just taking it off. And so this stuff is just here for now. My bedroom is clean. Bed made, all that stuff. Look at my flowers. These are my roses from my birthday just a few days ago. And it looks so cute here. So I just put them all together and have sitting in my bedroom. Yeah, so cute. Oh, let me show you this cutie right here. I just found this also at Ross. It was $12.99. I was putting it on the bed to see if I actually like it. So I might just hold on to it. It's cute. $12.99. You can't go really wrong with it. You don't have to put all the pillows. And it still looks nice and put together. Like monochromatic. So that's pretty. There. Yep. Yeah. That's really pretty. Okay, so went on and cleaned the kitchen back up. So this is how it's looking. It's nothing like the summer time with the kids home and the kitchen is clean. Like, this is life goals right now. So happy about this. The bench. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do this or go with a gray, like all the way tufted bench? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Should I follow Darnell and go ahead and return this one and get an all gray one that's tufted? I'll try to insert it here. Or should I stick with this one and go with the mirrored glam look? So let me know. But I like that it's kind of like breaking up some of the gray that's in here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I really, really do appreciate it. And I would talk to you guys on the next one. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. I would love, love, love to have you here. And bye for now.
He tried to steal my sock.